Good morning, teacher and class. My name is Delia Joana Perez. I belong to the group 1327. If you should travel in Colombia for a splendid place, you can to think about Esther Plains or Llanos Orientales from Mani Casanare. This is the ecologic plan because you can see a lot of animals like a deer, chigüiros, exotic birds, owls, cows, horses, armadillos, and other more. You can eat delicious and typical milk like a llanera meat, hallacas, pisillo de chigüiro, rellena, tungos, and more variety for this. You can visit many places, many farms with a lot of fantastic activities like a safari, ride canoe, horseback riding, milking of cows, and many more activities that you like. The trip can be for 1 week because you can do many activities and visit more or less 4 farms. The best activity that offers that place is visit the Cossiana River and make a canoe trip. And then you can visit Mani Center and you can know the Malecon because it is very nice place and representative of the region. The next day you can visit La Laguna del Tinije because this is a magical place that you can see magical sunrise. You can visit from different farms that offer a lot of activities like a safari llanero, milking, and other cultural activities. You can make every day different things and you feel happy all days. The safari llanero will spend more or less 100 for 50 for persons. Other option is complete plant, and you can guide with a special person, and you can spend a lot of more or less 800 for person. The typical food is mamona, pisillo, hallaca, rellena, tungos of rice and others. And typical drinks are coffee and lemonade with panela. The cost is 1 million more or less per person. The magical place is the sunrise in the plains, Esther Plains or Llanos Orientales from Manicasanare. It's very cool. It's very, very, very nice to travel here. Thank you very much. Bye, teacher. Bye, class.